Well, hey there, I'm Kristen with One Focus Property Management, and I'm going to take you on the tour of 101 North Highland Street in Lock Haven, Pennsylvania. This has 4 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, and a lot of things that you're going to love. So let's get started. So we are starting the tour outside today, so you can take a look at the property and the cute little surrounding neighborhood. We're going to come up on the porch here. This is a beautiful wraparound porch. So if you like to porch sit, you have plenty of space to be able to do that. Now let's go inside. We are in the living room. We've got plenty of space here to set up a really beautiful and effective living room. You could do a wraparound couch, entertainment center, even a love seat, a chair. There's a lot of space in here. Now when you come through the doorway here, you have your cutesy little half bathroom, some little shelves for some linen storage, possibly, your toilet paper and paper towels, whatever you like in there. We're gonna keep on going because we have the full bathroom right here. Beautiful beadboard accent. You have a medicine cabinet mirror. Beadboard is carried through in this great little gray vanity to kind of offset this white and creamy color on the wall. We have a bedroom down here. This would probably be, I would say, maybe a full-size bed in here. And then you have your double hung closet here. So you do have room to be able to do some storage, and it does get you on the first floor if you need that. And we're just gonna circle right through into the kitchen. Plenty of space to put a dining room table and chair set. You have your full-size appliances and some great cabinets here to be able to use for storage. And also, not for nothing, you've got your first floor laundry room with your included washer and dryer, and there is space in here if you would like to do some pantry action. So you have this area here, and you have room in here to be able to add additional furniture if you need some more pantry storage. And before we go upstairs and check things out, I just want to make some note here. You do have a back deck. So if you want to face the backyard, if you're outside hanging out, but you want to have some furniture, but up out of the yard, this is a really great space to be able to do this. You could probably fit a full patio set to be able to eat out here if you wanted to. Now there are 2 sets of steps that go upstairs. I'm going to take the set of steps that is going to take you up from the kitchen. And we're going to come right up here. You have your second bedroom here, little L-shaped area. And then you have your closet here with a nice tall hang bar and a little shelf up there. This would probably also be about a full-size bed. But again, it's all up to you. I just kind of like to give a little suggestion. So coming into the next bedroom, you can see this Jack and Jill's into the last bedroom, and you do have a bonus room. This would fit a larger bed, and then you have a double hung closet. And not only a double hung closet, but you also have storage over here, and a person using this bedroom has access on the steps here that come up past the living room, but then you can also shut the door. And then you have this bonus space over here, which you could use the smaller bedroom as a bonus room and use this as a bedroom if you'd like to. This offers a little bit of space here. And then it does have a great closet for storage with a hang bar, and then it's double hung with a shelf right there. Well, dang, this is an adorably cute house, and literally the only thing that's missing is you. So what you need to do to make this the next place that you're calling home is go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You can look at our listing and be able to find all the information you want to know about this property. You can book your tour to see yourself in person how amazing this house is, and you can even submit that application. If you'd like to talk to a live person today, give us a call at the office. It's 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So check out the website, give us a call today, because I don't know if you can tell, I am chomping at the bit to help you make this your place.